Hi everyone, welcome to Local Benchmarks. This video will help you to find the 3 best cell phone repair in Little Rock, Arkansas. Please subscribe the channel and support us. CPR Cell Phone Repair West Little Rock, Gadget Pros. The Fix, phone repair, tablet repair, and accessories. uBreakiFix Little Rock. Please see the video description to know more details. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.